The ANJ Foldable Wagon cart AWTC-001 offers remarkable versatility with its extendable tailgate, making it ideal for transporting longer items like kayaks or folding tables. Equipped with all-terrain wheels, this wagon cart smoothly navigates diverse surfaces including sand, mud, grass, and gravel, thanks to its superior PVC wheels with double bearings and front brakes. Constructed with a reinforced steel frame and premium nylon fabric, the wagon ensures durability and resistance to rust, corrosion, and water even after prolonged outdoor use. The compact design of the wagon cart, weighing only 20 pounds, allows for easy storage and transport, making it a convenient companion for any outdoor adventure. For added convenience, the cart includes additional storage pockets, providing ample space for extra gear, even when the main compartment is fully loaded. ANJ Outdoors, based in the USA, is committed to delivering high-quality and innovative outdoor products, ensuring customer satisfaction with dedicated service.